Very good evening, all of you, and wish you a very happy new year. Welcome to AG's Alumni Talk series. Today, our speaker is Ms. Palba Nazwale. Palba is Senior Analytics Engineer at Nivi Analytics with a demonstrated history of working in the information technology and service industry. She has done her BE in Electronics and Telecommunication and alumni of AG's from 2018-19 batch. Let us hear it from her. Over to you, Palba.
Thank you, Smita ma'am, for the introduction. Hi all. It really feels great that today I am on the other side of the table. Like earlier, I used to be the one who used to listen to all these alumni talk series, and I just used to attend it so as to understand what is actually something that is going on in the market. And today, for a change, it's me on the other side, being an alumni from Aegis and currently working at Navy as an analytics engineer. Has been a great journey. So I'll just start with a brief introduction about myself. So though Smita ma'am has already given you all guys, but still I'll start with it. So my name is Palbha Nazwani. I was associated with Infosys as an Oracle PL SQL developer. And since we all know like Oracle, SAP, all these technologies have been there in the industry from really long time. And I was also like I was doing it, but I just felt that I should learn something new. And the word data science being booming everywhere around, you just feel like you should just go through it. What is it exactly? And obviously you want to grow in your career and earn more and more money. So that's where I also thought I should also start looking around for data science and just do some courses or anything. Initially I wanted to go for MS and all, but at times your family is there and they want you to be there in India. And so I was also on the same journey as you guys. And then I heard of Aegis, and I researched a couple of colleges there. With respect to Aegis, what are the other options? And then I went through the how is the performance of the Aegis in terms of what are the packages, are students getting placement, are the curriculum is the curriculum good enough, are the teachers good? So that kind of analysis I also did, and then I found out this is the correct option, I should go ahead. And then I joined Aegis, and I started learning all the basics and everything. And then the whole year passed on and we got the campus placement, and then I joined in Navy. And now it's like I've been in Navy for 1.5 years and the journey has been tremendous. With respect to what I'm currently doing is Navy is basically into manufacturing industry. Now it's not a typical analytics that we generally listen, like something like normal ki theek hai, chatbots ban rahe hain or something like this. Is not that specific. In manufacturing industry, what we're doing is we're actually solving what are the problems, what are the pain points of the manufacturing industry. And obviously now COVID into place, it's more or less like people are not able to be there, really in the factories. Everything is turning out to be virtual. Now the head of department, or I shall say not every manager, everyone is there in the plant. They need to know what is actually going on in the industry, what is actually going on the floor, the shop floor, what is exactly that is happening. So what Navy does is they have their IoT sensors, they have enabled everything into a digital platform. So that is the first step. Like basically, if we are talking about any industry, the first thing or foremost thing that is going on everywhere is digitalization. So that is where Navy comes into picture. They add that digital thread out of it. Joining each and everything, whatever data that is present, how to capture that data. This is the first thing. Now, after getting all this data, comes the next part where we as analytics or we as a data scientist should add value. So then comes the analytics part. Now we have so much data. Now what to do with this data? So can we add something? Can we analyze something? Can we add some value? So therein we provide solutions like failure detection, finding a pattern as to saying that if I'm saying that this particular reactor or this particular equipment generally needs a maintenance after 5 days, 10 days. Why does it take? At times it takes 5 days. Why does it take 10 times 10 days? So what is that difference in terms of what is actually going on? Can we find something? Can we add this value so that every time there is a failure only after 10 days, not before 5 days or anything? So that kind of predictive solutions we are trying to give. We are trying to find at times the production in a month is like very good, extremely well. In some months it's extremely low. Now what is the reason behind that? Such kind of, adding actual value. When you see now ki you are doing something which is, increasing or improvising the yield of a company, the production, it's adding revenue to a company, then that particular thing feels great. So this kind of work is really exciting, and definitely when you guys start going into the companies and give start working, you will definitely realize that being a data scientist is adding value directly to a company's revenue. And when you see that whatever work you have done is adding value, then definitely you feel very great. So that is the basic idea about what actually I am doing.